Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I've done a video. I am so sorry about that. Hopefully we can get the algorithms working again. These videos can get recommended to be watched by others. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like or dislike. I'm always open for some fearless feedback. Without further ado, let's get into what this video is, just to talk about the stock exhaust and potentially what exhaust I will be fitting. So the past month or so, I've been looking at various different exhaust systems for this vehicle, starting from Cobra Motorsports, Militek, Scorpion, and Remus. So I've done some research. Remus is probably the best bang for buck sounding exhaust out there for these 1 series. There's 2 levels of exhaust systems that you can purchase. One of them being is the sports exhaust, which I've looked at, which is like the cheaper range in the bracket. And the other one is the race system.